Hey, welcome back, guys. I'm a little over 3 weeks. I think I'm 3 weeks, and I'll be 4 weeks on Wednesday. I'm feeling fantastic. Physiotherapist today said I'm doing great. He's going to do evaluation on Wednesday, and most likely I'm going to be done with PT. I'm at 126 degrees of flexion, passed all their benchmarks. So I'm feeling good. So today's going to be the first day I'm getting out to the lumberyard. I'm going to cut firewood today. But I need to start getting this room filled back up. I showed you this, guys, before. There's 3 bunks. These are 8-foot spans, 14 feet long. You can see how high I have. It's probably 7 foot tall. I have to get all this stuff. I pushed this stuff in a couple weeks ago with the tractor. This will get me probably through the remainder of this season, April. Middle of April, I'm usually done. So I'll burn this stuff up in the boiler, but I need to start moving this stuff so I can start bringing the stuff I have outside into here. So let's see what we have. That's weird. Not too many people bumping on that road. That's a private drive. So let's give you a little look-see here. So here's what I have to start putting in there. You can see those bays. They're 8 feet wide, and that is 8 feet tall. So that gives you an idea of what I've burned. But first, let's throw some logs in here so I don't have to stack them. So I'm taking those logs, I'm stacking them up another row here, but burning them too. They're going to be gone anyhow. So throw some in here. 175. I've never changed the factory settings on my wood stove, so the damper kicks on below 175. At 174 it kicks on, and it goes off at 185. And I find that works very good for my needs. I know some people run them cooler, but that's where the factory setting was, and that's where I left it. I do have to empty the ashes out here soon. So these are some pretty big chunks. Ooh, it's a bit warm in here today. I've mentioned it before, I have an opening in the roof there, a little cupola that allows that smoke to go out. I'm gonna just stack a little bit of it every time I come out here. I throw a few more logs into this pile. Like I said, I need this stuff moved, so I will start bringing that stuff in and stacking it up right here. And filling up this bunk, and then the center will be the last one I fill up. And I've mentioned before, that'll be all next year's wood. We'll work on the center and go north next year. So let's get some of this picked up. Todd's outside again if you're watching this. These are my stacks. They're nothing like yours. Mine are a little rough. You know, I'll get logs like this. Look at the size of that. That's what, 28, 30 inches. I'll find a spot to put it. I'll tuck her in right up there. Well, maybe not there, maybe over a little bit more. My knee literally has zero pain in it. The only thing keeping me from really getting after it, getting out to the sawmill and really doing heavy work now, is the fact of knowledge. That prosthetic takes 3 months to heal and to lock into that bone. Mine wasn't cemented in, it's a friction fit. So that's the reason I'm not really getting after it, just because I know that's the case. If I knew it was just an injury of some sort, an MCL, LCL, ACL, PCL kind of thing, I've been back at it by now. Like I said, there is zero pain. One of the first things I have to do is I got to get some logs up on lockdown. So let's go get some logs. And I'm just going to get them from my piles over there. Get this fired up. I'm excited. Like I said, I haven't been out here in 4 weeks. I feel great too. No, I'm not going to overdo it, guys. Don't worry about that. I'm going to take it easy. I gotta bump that over. There we go. Just a little bit more. There we go. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do, we're just going to get this all split up. The stuff I left on there last time. I just split a bunch that was already on the deck conveyor, and I didn't hit film. Didn't hit record. I'm moving though. Alright, let's get this cut up. I can't tell you how good it feels to be out here. I don't know, we've been out here a little over an hour maybe. Had to run back in, but the knee feels really good. I'm glad to be outside on this nice sunny day. Getting some vitamin D into me right now from the sun. We're gonna go dump this tote and get cleaned up out here. And I'll see you the next time out here, guys. I'm still gonna take it easy on the sawmill yet, only because those are really big slabs you gotta carry. So I'm gonna take it easy, but again, weight bearing, walking. So let's go. It's time to get moving and carrying on. This will give you a chance to check out my gait too, my walk. It's my left leg. I'm gonna step up on that step with my left foot. All right, here we go.